I was thinking about the idea of intensity in practice. So I do this little thing. I got it from Shankaracharya. He's a very cool yogi way back. His commentaries on the sacred texts they're out there a lot. And one of the forms they come in is this question and answer. So like he'll put the text, the phrase from the text, and then he does this thing where he's like, there's objections, there's objection. And then he writes what the objection is and then how to resolve it. But then they also have this question and answers, like, well, question and answer. All right, so here's the question. Question. What makes me intense about practice? And I'm talking about me, David. All right. Answer. One word. Dukkha. Pain. I'm intense about practice because here it is. I'm in pain, and so I do yoga to feel better. The more pain that I'm in, then the more yoga that I do. We emphasize the well-being and the bliss aspect of it, or that gets emphasized in all these various ways. But really, it's a system designed to lessen human suffering. Yoga successfully addresses my pain. That's what I find. When I'm hurting, when I'm distracted, when I'm in angst, when I'm angry, so many different things, fear, right? Or even egotistical, whatever's happening. I go into downward dog and I start with the ujjayi breathing. I strike the triangle pose. I do these things. I feel better. And me, if I do nothing, then I continue to suffer, or my suffering becomes worse. Okay? But if I get on my mat and I take to those Hatha yoga techniques, I feel better. Who knows? I don't know. There's a zillion things that one could do to overcome dukkha, pain. And the point is, you've got to find yours.